Did you know about space lightning? Astronomers have observed lightning occurring in the upper atmospheres of planets and moons in our solar system, including Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus. These space lightning bolts, known as sprites and elves, are transient and fleeting phenomena that occur at high altitudes above thunderstorms. They are caused by electrical discharges between different layers of the atmosphere and are difficult to observe from Earth due to their brief duration and faint appearance. Like, share, and subscribe for more facts.